this video, we're going to be looking at this little RC car. The really cool thing about these are they pack in a whole bunch of detail. They look super cool. The only thing that really bothers me is this thing. This is just unacceptably small. It's tiny. Way too hard to hold on to. So that's what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be working on making this a little more hobby grade and less like a toy. All right, let's get into it. Hey guys, so when I opened the car up, I realized how simplistic this board actually is. It's just got two ports right there and right there to control how this car drives. So you've got your brushed system right here, just geared up to act like a servo. And this brush system drives the two wheels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna replace that with this servo control board. This just comes from I think a 9-gram servo. And this is how it turns. So we're gonna see if I can just hack this and stick it right on the car. All right. I ended up directly soldering the 9-gram servo control board to my receiver, and then I connected the receiver to the 3S battery, and this actually burnt it out. I was so bummed, but I found another one, and in the long run, it worked out just fine. Hey guys, so I think I've got it all figured out. I'm using the potentiometer on this 9-gram servo, and then it's all connected to a 2200 milliamp 3S lipo, which is way overkill, by the way. And then I have the same thing working on the front, so it's the same kind of system. All right, let's plug it in and see if it works. Oh, where are you going? So we've got our little actuator right here, and when I turn it one way, it's gonna slow the speed in that direction and start backing it off towards the other direction. So what we need to do is we need to get this in a neutral position, then we need to super glue it or something so that it doesn't move around. Okay guys, so I finally figured it out, and this is how it works. So if I pull back on the stick, it goes forward, and if I push forward, it goes backwards. Awesome, right? That's pretty cool. This mess of wires actually does something really neat. I took another servo and connected it to the front brushed motor. So it basically is doing exactly what it's doing back here, but up in the front on a different channel of my receiver. So yeah, pretty cool. Let me show you how it works. Test 1 on the hobby grade, toy grade RC car. Woohoo! Now let's see if he turns. Whoa! Wow, that's confusing. Hey guys, that's it for this video. Do I think it's practical? No, not in the least. Do I think it was a fun project? Yes. Should you do it? Maybe. It depends if you want to take apart the whole car and just see how it works. But yeah, as always, if you had any questions or would like to suggest a project to do on this channel, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. I'll put a link down below. And have a good day. Bye.